In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a go to top link on a Weebly page without using HTML code. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to weebly.com. Then sign in to your Weebly account. After logging in, click Website, select Edit Site and open the website you want to edit. Once you're in the editor, scroll to the section of the page where you want to place your go to top link. You can use a text element, button or image as the clickable link. Click the element you want to use, then select the link icon from the editing toolbar. In the link options, choose Standard Page. From the list of pages, select the same page you're currently editing. When visitors click the link, Weebly will reload the page and position them at the top, providing a simple way to return to the beginning of the page without adding custom HTML or code. You can rename the text to something like back to top or go to top so visitors know exactly what it does. Once you're finished, save and publish your website to make the changes live. That's how to create a go to top link on a Weebly page without using HTML code. Thanks for watching.